Hi, I'm Chris Hale and welcome to today's Earnings Corner. Arm Holdings, Britain's biggest tech group, whose technology is used in many smartphones around the world, have reported a whopping 30% rise in second quarter profits. In the second quarter, Arm Holdings have reported profits of £86.6 million, with revenue increasing to £171.2 million. The increase has been helped by its demand for latest processor and graphics technology. This morning, on the back of this announcement, the share price has risen 5% to £9.45. There has been a worry that weaker than expected sales of the Samsung's Galaxy S4 would have a wider impact on them. However, with Apple announcing that they are comfortably beating their forecast for the iPhone sales yesterday, it has put those worries to bed. The smartphone market as a whole is expected to remain strong in the coming years, but growths of 50%, which we've seen in the last few years, are expected to slow down. Arm have been increasing their share of the graphics processing market, and yesterday their Mali graphics technology was selected by Samsung for its latest high-end processor. In May, Arm Holdings reached a high of £11.11 and since then have dropped off around about 20%. However, they are a leading company in this field who are constantly applying for various licenses, and with a backlog of orders up more than 10%, they're in a strong position, which is why I have these as a buyer. A quick mention of some other companies with results out today. Entertainment One, the makers of Peppa Pig, have increased revenues by 40% for the 3 months to June. I still maintain these as a buy rating. EasyJet, the budget airline, have reported a 10.5% rise in revenues to £1.14 billion for its third quarter. They are up over 8% today and are still a buy for me. Finally, TalkTalk have reported second quarter in a row of revenue growth and an extra 8,000 new customers. On the back of this, I currently rate them as a hold. Thanks for listening, and join me next week for some company updates.